Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. Last week, we focused on the accomplishments of 2019.
But this week, we're looking ahead to 2020. Now, safety has always been a top priority at ODOT, but Director Jack Marchbank says our focus will be even more intense this year.
We have a lot of work to do in 2020 and beyond, but we will reduce fatalities. And as we journey on this vision of making Ohio's roads safer, we can influence driver behavior.
With a total investment of $158 million each year, Ohio now boasts the third largest safety program in the nation, trailing only California and Texas.
We also remain committed to keeping our workers safe. ODOT partnered with the Ohio Laborers Employer Cooperation and Education Trust to raise awareness about Ohio's Move Over law during wild lights at the Columbus Zoo.
Even in ice and snow, it's important for drivers to move over or slow down for all vehicles with flashing lights, including law enforcement, tow trucks, construction and maintenance vehicles, and snowplows. The purpose of the law is to protect everyone who works or travels on our roadways.
Well, you may have heard a news story or two about how it's important to write out the full year of 2020 when signing legal documents, checks, or other important documents.
It's a good reminder for everyone, especially ODOT employees here at work. The concern is that scammers could easily manipulate a document dated 1/1/20 into any year after 2000. Taking this extra step not only protects all of us, but it can protect you as well.
Hey everybody, we took a trip this past summer out to the UAS Center in Springfield, so take a look.
Hey everyone, welcome to Springfield, another ODOT facility, the UAS Center. Under DriveOhio, we have the unmanned aerial systems, and in that is housed the UAS Center. And this center is responsible for managing unmanned aircraft missions for ODOT and all state agencies.
With 18 different types of unmanned aircrafts, the focus of this office is completing operations requested by the different districts and divisions within ODOT, as well as other state agencies. The remote pilots travel the state and complete UAS operations. Each operation requires a great deal of planning and assessment of risk. Pilots will look at the request, identify the location to see the airspace, and if waivers from the Federal Aviation Administration are required, operational logistics for aircraft and sensors that will be used, perform risk analysis for the requested operation, consult with the requester to focus on critical areas.
Wow, and the crazy thing is, they're not even done yet.
Once the flights have been completed, the real work of processing the imagery obtained from the operations occurs. The pictures and videos can be constructed into 3D models and other useful tools. These pictures, videos, and maps created are valuable to many sections in ODOT, including the Traffic Management Center, Planning, and CAD, because they help increase the safety and efficiency of our roadways.
Wow, that was incredible and super cool. Can't wait to see what all the men and women do out there at the UAS Center in 2020. Who knew?
Thank you, Dave, so much for not droning on and on like this guy over here.
It's a good drone pun.
Yeah.
People love drone puns. Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep sending us great videos just like this one from our District 6 work crew.
Now, you're in the loop. Yes, sir.